How to stream on TikTok on PC. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Let's open up your browser of choice. I'll be opening Google Chrome. Type in TikTok Studio like so. And then, all you want to do is going to say download Live Studio. So go to this web page right here, and then it's going to say download for Windows. You can do it on Mac as well, but obviously I'm on Windows, so I'll be downloading it for Windows. It's going to open up the exe file, which is basically the installer, and then you can choose where you want to go ahead and install it. So I'm just going to do my C drive and then press install now. It's going to be downloading the Live Studio. It might take longer or shorter depending on your internet speed, but it's only 631 megabytes, so mine's already done. And it's just going to be installing after the download has happened using the launcher. So now, while this is happening in the background, you can just go ahead and X out of this because you don't need that. And when it's on like the final stage, it's going to say installation complete. Live Studio has been installed on your computer. So now all you want to do is go ahead and press open on it, and then just wait for it to open the first time. The first time it opens might take a little longer than the rest of the times. It's just getting used to your system. Now it says login to begin. So you got to log into the TikTok account that you want to do this with. So you can also scan a QR code and log in that way. So now I'm set up and it says, let's set up your studio together. Press get started. You can do gaming or general. So we're just going to do gaming to stream games and stuff. It's going to ask for your microphone, which my one is the default one. You can choose a camera you want as well. Press continue, then it's going to be testing your network speed and your internet to see exactly how good it is for, any streams that you're doing, just so that it can configure it properly. After that, it's going to be testing your hardware performance. So basically your PC, it's going to be running through all your different specs, and then it's going to ask you to choose a quality preference. So you can do quality, which is recommended if you have a powerful PC, or you can do performance, which is, if you have a low-end PC or a laptop, anything like that. I'm going to stick on quality. Press continue. You can choose whether you want to stream in landscape or portrait. You are going to get pushed out more though if you go portrait, so I'm just going to use that. Then just press finish, and then the Live Studio is going to open up right here. Now you can do a lot of different things here, but I can go live. You can add a game capture, so I can double click to add a game capture. So all I got to do is press that, and then I can select the game, or I can any full screen game, I can select that as well. And then, yeah, you'll be good to go. There's so many different things that you can do. You can have your camera up here, or you can remove camera if you don't want to use a face cam or anything like that.